Get ready to understand. Let me create running notes. Yesterday we have started the discussion. Cost function, I guess, right? Cost function. D drive. I taken backup in D drive. Now, expect short session. A kind of what exactly we are looking, regression cost functions I will cover. What I will cover? Regression cost function. It will be 92. Cost function we already covered. We done right this one yesterday. See, these are all theory and everything. We done. Okay. Now the regression cost function. This one is quite interesting. Let's move on, sir. Make a note on this. What is this? Okay. Maybe yesterday I already explained the point will be. What is that point, sir? Sir, we done this. Even this one also we done. This one is the running topic. Yeah. Whenever you're talking about the cost function, ensure that I hope here you can see machine learning algorithm depends on a topic which is so called as a cost function. Hey Daniel, why? ML algorithm needs some guidance, boss. ML algorithm will do prediction in the backend, but either the prediction is the right prediction or wrong prediction. Initially, it needs some guidance. That guidance will be provided by cost function. Provided by cost function. Yesterday, I hope you have seen the diagrams also that I already explained. Cost functions works like these are all optimization techniques, man. What techniques actually? Optimization techniques. Okay, ensure that try to understand this. Though these are all optimization techniques. Now, Daniel, what we need to understand from this? What we need to understand, cost functions are, we do have a, when you're talking about the supervisor learning algorithm, yesterday I covered actually, supervisor learning actually, supervisor learning model. The first one will be regression. The second one will be classification. First one is what exactly mean? Regression. Second one will be classification. Regression having separate cost functions. Okay. Having, so separate cost function. Both are not same. Having separate cost functions. And these are also having separate cost functions. Okay. Understand this. Having again separate cost functions. Now, MSC the next one RMSE, the next one MAE. Right. These are all we'll see later. This is upcoming topic actually. Why? Because classification we didn't even started, right? Upcoming topic we'll see later. Now what we need to be understand, regression cost functions, let me cover today. Okay, I'm just trying to making you to understand regression cost function. Are you clear till now? I hope you got the roadmap actually, what I'm going to cover, right? Now regression cost functions, Daniel. When it comes to regression cost function, yeah, good. In regression, the model predicts an output value for each training data. Okay, during the training phase. Whenever when you're talking about the regression, model predicts the output value for what exactly, man? Training data. Let me give one small example. My father started training. First image number 1. That is a training phase. What phase actually? But let me tell you, before my father started training, I have seen already dogs and cats actually. Then during training itself, I can do prediction. I can do. Okay, my father showing a deer son. He is trying to telling, dear son, this is a dog. Before telling it is a dog, I already know why? Because I already have seen the same image with the same size actually, same color I already have seen. I can do prediction. Machine learning algorithm also, during the training, ML algorithm will also do the prediction. ML algorithm will also do prediction actually. Make a note on this one. This one is important. During the training phase itself, it will do the prediction actually. The cost function for regressions are calculated like a distance based error. Go back to the R squared value. What value? Yeah, it will try to find out the distance based. Either the prediction value and actual value, both are near or not, both are very far or not. It will try to understand actually. Make a note on this. Types of regression metrics. Types of what exactly? Regression metrics. Whenever you're talking about the regression matrix, a kind of some MSE, mean squared error. The next one will be root mean squared error. The next one will be mean absolute error. These are all values we do have actually. Okay. Now, what do you mean by distance based error? Look at the program. Sir, did you remember residual? What is the residual? Difference between actual value and predicted value, which is called as a residual. Once you done your 10th class, you already having guessing. My guessing will be, I thought I will get a 95 marks actual. How many marks? I have written 10th class English exam. I have written very nicely. I don't know. Only that exam I have written nicely. I got a 86. I got a. Now the error will be 9. What is error, sir? Actual on an average how much? 86. But my prediction will be 95. Yeah, there is an error. Either minus, plus or minus, that doesn't matter actually, right? Assuming that for given set of input data, given set of what exactly input data, the actual output is called as a y, and our regression model predicts y cap value. Then the error in prediction calculated as a error equals to y minus y cap. Y minus, what do you mean by y actually? Actual value. What do you mean by y cap? Prediction value. This is also known as a distance based error. This is also known as a distance based error, and it is in the form of basis of cost function that are used in regression model. Backend it will be used in regression model. Make a note on this one. Yeah, please make a note on this one. This one is quite interesting. By looking at this image, you have to go for and you can think R squared value. What value? Yeah, make a note on this one. This one is actual value. This one is a prediction line. You can just try to fall this one actually exactly near to the actual value. This one is the distance. This one is actual value. This one is a prediction value. Actual value, prediction value, prediction value, actual value. Yeah, ensure that this one is called as a distance based error. What error, sir? Distance based error actually. Mean squared error. These are all you have to maybe remember regression cost functions. First one is called as a, this one is the first one. MSE. What do you mean by MSE? Mean, yeah, mean squared error. Mean squared error actually. Mean squared error. Okay. First point. The MSE is calculated as the mean of the square difference between the predicted and expected output actually. Simple, sir. Hey, Daniel, is the formula is important actually? No, not much important. Not much important. But let me tell you where it will be helpful. Read the, read from here. Mean of the squared difference between predicted value and actual value. First of all, the difference between actual value and prediction value. Then mean of squared. What is that? Mean of squared. Then first of all, actual value minus prediction value. I hope you already know. Okay, whole square. Then sum of all values. Sum of what exactly, sir? All value. Can I tell you why all values came actually? Best example. Data 1, area, rice packs. You have given this data 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. You have given this data to the ML. ML of data 1 you have given actually. ML of what you have given, sir? Data 1 you have given. Then machine learning algorithm will already started prediction over training data. Over what data? Good. Let me tell you. Sir, initially 1. For, initial packet will be 10, right? ML algorithm done prediction 25. What is error actually? Yeah. Okay. What is error, sir? Chapani? 50. How much? 15. Okay. Then ML algorithm done prediction. Okay. Can I just try to take, is it okay for you? On an average, let me take kind of some 50. Okay. Now tell me the error 40. Now here, the next it will done prediction kind of some 40. Now tell me what is error? 20. It's done prediction 45. Chapter sir, what is error value? Chapter sir? 15. Now it's done prediction on an average 42. What is error value? 2. Let me tell you, for every data point, there is a prediction value, there is a error value. Now ML algorithm will focus on all these errors actually. All these what exactly, sir? Imagine you are having 100 data points, 100 errors actually. Then it will just try to apply the squared difference between mean error it will observe. What error? Mean error actually, right? Daniel, is it important that calculation? Sir, we never calculate actually. But anyway, let me show you that calculation also. This one is great question, Sarji. But anyway, this I will cover in upcoming point also. But let me reveal. I will cover in upcoming. Explicitly, we no need to apply. In machine learning, I'm talking. In ML, we no need to apply. So cost function explicitly. We no need to apply. But in DL, we can apply. In DL, what is the DL? Deep learning. We can apply actually. I will show you what is that, and you will get a clear picture actually. Okay. Make a note on this. You will get an idea. Let me drink water, please. Observe these are all. The value never be negative. Why? Squared. Even though it is negative, they will back and develop. It will do the square actually. Since we are always squaring the errors, imagine error value is the negative, sir. What is the meaning of error is the negative? Any idea? What is the meaning of error is the negative? Any idea? Poor prediction. Okay. Good. Very good. If residual is the negative, it means to say that the prediction value is the below. The prediction value is the above. Actual value is the below for the regression line. Yeah. Math talks more actually when you are learning about the machine learning. Exactly the connection. Am I right or not, sir? Go back to the R squared value and especially residual. What is the topic name? You can just try to walk through positive residual and negative residual, sir. Okay. Okay. That's why if error is the negative, think like, where is the actual data point, where is the prediction data point, you can understand actually. That's the reason, Daniel, can we execute one small example? We can execute, sir. We can execute actually. Let us execute. I just wanted to calculate mean squared error. So think like I'm going to take a kind of, any idea what is this? predefined function. What is this? It is not a class. Why? Not started with capital letter. Then all are lowercase. Function. Function calling, we are assigning it to variable, means written. That's it, right? Now let's take this one, and you can just have to apply this. Then the next value will be predicted value. Then the next value will be, let us calculate MSE value. Now let me tell you, imagine there is a kind of some prediction. Here the expected value is the 1, the predicted value also 1. Good, right prediction. Right prediction. Expected value is the 1, prediction value 0.9. What is error value? 0. Nice. It will make a note actually. Previously error is the 0, 0.1. Talk with me. 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. It will make a note actually. It will collect all errors. It will collect. Best example, being a human, if you have done one mistake, it's okay. 1 or 2 mistakes, okay. But people will focus on multiple mistakes. Mistake number 1, mistake number 2, same thing like that. Machine learning algorithm, when it is having every data point, it will start collect the error. First error, second error, third error, fourth error. And on top of all these errors, it will calculate the cost function. It will apply the cost function. It will apply cost function, right? Daniel, do I need to calculate manually? No. We have a function. You can call that function. 2 parameters. First one is the actual value. Yeah, that's okay. This one is so called as the actual value. This one is so called as a prediction value. Do you wanted to see the error actually? Sir, error always it should be the small error. What error? Chappan sir, small error. Then model will do the good prediction. Oh, morning system got formatted actually. Maybe, yeah. What happened, Though the system became very slow, right? I told to the admin, they have formatted the laptop. Python I already installed. I need to let it be installed. Pip install. Pandas as of now not required. Scikit-learn is required. What is required, sir? Chappan, sir. Scikit-learn is required. Pip install scikit-learn. It is being getting installing. I need your patience. Okay. Yeah, very good. Very good. Let us run the example, sir. Good. Make a note on this one. Ensure that you know what is error value? 35. Take this example. Calculating mean squared error. MSE value. Sir, 0.35 means it's okay. Small error. What error? Accepted actual. Let us just try to apply root mean squared error. What error? Root mean squared error. To find out the root mean squared error, you can just have to calculate the mean squared error and apply square root. Apply what exactly? Square root. That's it actually. Then it will be done. Okay. In NumPy, there is a one function, sir. With NumPy also we can do. Why? Because import NumPy. Yes, np dot sqrt, I guess actually we'll see square root in maths also. Very good, boss. Very good. NP is ayyo, then pandas. This is really surprise, right? Let it be run. Very good. Good catch, sir. Very good. Who is that one? Siddiq Sarji. Very good practice. Very good practice. By looking at the program, you are compiling the program. Control C. Very good. This one is so called as a RMSC. What value? RMSC. Now let me tell you, but in our example, I have provided one example, mean squared error. What is this one, sir? Mean squared error. A kind of some expected value, predicted value. Squared equals to false, you can apply. But in old documentation, this example is valid actually. But nowadays, they have changed the function. I just need to update that actually. You no need to change anything, sir. Squared equals to what exactly? My favorite syntax. What is that? Maybe they have changed this keyword augment. Otherwise, they have changed a function actually. I need to cross verify. You may get a type error, unexpected keyword augment. Yeah. Got an unexpected keyword augment. Why? Because they might have changed this function. We'll do one thing. Let us get the help from ChatGPT. But anyway, previous one is valid. You can go for NumPy, even if we are doing in the same way. You can go for ChatGPT. I'm getting this error while I'm using. Especially this piece of code. You need to tell actually. Then version change, version issue. Yeah, version issue. Scikit-learn 0.24 version. If you are using 0.24 or higher version, you can use squared augment like this actually. Squared equals to false. But if you are using, even, even they explained about the square root. This we already implemented actually. Okay, what they suggested, mean squared error. I already applied the same. Squared equals to mean squared error, squared equals to false. Mean squared error, squared equals to what exactly? False. Then even ChatGPT also not aware. Then go to the documentation. No way, go to the documentation. Last way, let me check in a ChatGPT. Not ChatGPT, Stack Overflow. This is 11 years ago. Oh my God. Okay, you can go to the documentation directly. Y true, Y prediction, sample weight, none, Sir, they have removed that keyword augment actually. Otherwise, here it should be displayed. Anyway, there is only one way as of now. That way is called as you can go for NumPy. You can go for what exactly, sir? NumPy actually. Then 1 minute you can ask. What is a function? To calculate RMSE in machine learning from scikit-learn actually. It's okay. Some spell mistakes also okay. ChatGPT can take care. It is still giving same. It is still giving same, sir, actually. Mean squared error equals to actual and false. This one is a mean squared error. Sir, it's okay. As of now, we can go with only one thing. What is that one? You know, any idea? You can go for np.sqrt. Are you clear with me? Finding RMSE value. We already done this. Any idea? Total how many metrics? What is the first one? MSC. The second one? RMSC. Third one? MEA. This one I need to update actually. Why? Because they have changed. They modified actually. Now move to the next one. RMSC. Just a root we need to apply. Mean absolute error. This function is valid. What is the function name? Sir, simple, sir. There are a lot of functions. More functions. That's what you need to be understand, right? You can take the function. You can just say to get actual data and expected data. This one is actual data and this one will be prediction data. Now MSE value equals to mean absolute error. Mean absolute error, and this one will be expected value, this one will be predicted value. Then finally you will get mean value. I'm sorry, mean absolute value. Mean absolute error you will get actual. Good. I'm sure you understand, I guess, actually. Machine learning algorithm backend, it will apply any one of these function. Which function at what time? Upcoming topic actually. Calculating MEAE value. Calculating MEAE value. MEAE value. All right. Move to the discussion. Okay. Formulas. MSE formula, RMSE formula. RMSE is nothing, sir. Just root square actually. And this one is the MEAE formula. MEAE in the sense, absolute value. What value, sir? Absolute for the error. Daniel, is it important? Not at all important, sir. You need to remember also. That's what you need to be understand regarding the cost functions. Nothing is there. Move to the next one. Yeah, I need your help from here to almost you can just have to check here. Did I miss anything? Introduction, terminology, data and ML algorithm, learning function, types of models, life cycle, train and test data set, R value, simple linear regression. This I have given assignment, polynomial feature, multiple linear regression, pickling and unpickling, saving model, cost function, regression cost function, dummy variable. We done everything, I guess, actually. Are you with me? Good. Now, gradient descent algorithm I will cover. I know the order, don't worry. Till now, did you follow my order actually? Follow. Now, let us cover logistic regression. This one and this one both are same document, sir. Same document. Logistic regression, binary classification. Logistic regression, multi-class classification. Let us just have to open this one. Both are same. If you want, I can open this one also. You can just have to observe this. System stuck again. Look at my screen. Both are same. Then I need to maintain order, I guess. Yeah, let's move on. Till now, in a supervised learning technique, we have seen regression model. What do you mean by regression? If you're trying to predicting the output value, which is called as a continuous value. If the target is a continuous value, if the target is a kind of some price, predicting the price is the continuous value. Student marks is the prediction value. Predicting the salary is the continuous value. Yeah, we applied linear regression. We applied what exactly? a kind of some regression problem. But today, let me explain about the logistic regression. Let me explain about this one is a classification. So if you are having kind of some classification problem, if you wanted to solve that, we have to use this logistic regression actually. Make a note on this one. Logistic regression comes under supervised learning. Sir, it comes with the supervised learning model. What model actually? Supervised learning. It is a technique that it is used to solve the classification problem. It is simple technique. By using this one, we can solve classification problem actually. And it is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable. Come on, you should know actually. It is used to predict the categorical dependent variable using the given set of independent variable, a kind of some classifying. How is the weather today? Either it is a very hot or else normal, rainy. These are all things actually. Email is spam or not. Customer will buy product. Let me tell you. Can you read this sentence? Customer will buy. Imagine I have opened Amazon. I'm opening an Amazon. On an average, think like I'm searching for a kind of some Samsung mobile. Think like this. I'm searching for this mobile. Around 1 hour I done surfing actually. A kind of some browsing I done. How is the mobile? Features I'm looking. These are all things I'm looking. Now let me tell you. After 1 hour, Amazon will already done prediction. Either customer will buy this product or not actually. Before you are buying only, they already done prediction. Either you are going to buy or not actually. Yeah, they done prediction, sir. Exactly. That their prediction it will be match actually. Then how they will calculate. Your interest really matter. If you are looking about the so-and-so product long time, they will catch your points actually. How you are thinking, back-end algorithms also think like a human brain actually. How many pages you have visited for mobile? What is the duration you are spending? How long time you are checking that product actually? How many times you open that URL? These are all calculated. Best example, if you are really looking for product, you may spend more time. You may spend, yeah, they will. That is one of the reason actually. They will catch that one. They will catch that one. Of course, window shopping also people will do. Amazon will understand who is the window shopping, who is the real shopping actually. They will catch an idea. Okay. Types of logistic regression. Sir, binary classification. What is the first one? Binary classification. The next one is called as a multi-class classification. What do you mean by binary classification? The target column having the two outputs. Target column having two outputs. Go for a Titanic data set. Oh, you sir, why go for Titanic data set? Go for my father training. What training? My father, he collected the data, total 100 images actually. What is the problem statement? To recognize either cat or dog. What problem? Classification problem. The output having the two classes. Output having how many classes? Two classes actually. That is called as a binary classification. I'm sorry. Next one is a multi-class classification. What do you mean by multi-class classification? The target variable having more than two classes. Target variable having more than two classes actually. So in a binary classification, there can be only two possible types of the dependent variable. Either it can be 0 or 1. Yeah, go for Titanic data set. Survived or not, 0 or 1. 0 or 1, fixed outputs actually. The next one will be whenever you are entering into the 10th class means what exactly? Classification program. Either you will pass or fail actually. Pass or what exactly fail. The next one, yes or no. Next one will be yes or no. Either you can travel or not actually. Either you are going to buy the product or not. Sir, if the target column contains only two values, then that is called as a binary classification. What classification? Binary classification. Make a note on this. Okay. What do you mean by multi-class classification? The multi-class classification, there can be three or more possibly unordered types of the dependent variable. Unordered, nominal data. What data? No logical ordering. No logical ordering. Okay, good or best. Best example, nearby there is a Krutanga restaurant. Chicken biryani is a kind of, if somebody is asking how is the chicken biryani, you can tell either okay, good or best or below average or above average. That's it actually. Fixed values. Otherwise, you are using mobile. Somebody asked how is the mobile. Either you can say good mobile, best mobile or okay, something like that. Sir, this is not dot actually. What is that? Dog, cat, dog or sheep. Cab is coming, car is coming. Classification problem, either yellow board or white board actually. Am I right or not, sir? If it is a yellow board, cab. If it is a white, I mean that is a separation. Classifying actually. Categorizing. They're categorizing. Male or female. Categorization actually. No, ma'am. No, no, no. Good question. Let me tell you. When you're talking about the Titanic data set, first of all, what is the problem statement? You know, the problem statement will be either person survived or not. What is a person survived? Survived or not actually. When I say survived or not, think like there is a, so person one survived actually. What exactly, sir? Survived. Then if it is survived one, person number two, not survived actually. Then zero. Person number three, survived actually. What is that one, sir? Survived. Then it is called as a one. Think about the problem statement. But it is not like which class actually, which what exactly, sir? Class. That is not a problem statement actually. Are you with me? But let me tell you, here the class is helping to recognize either survived or not. This is called as a feature. Yeah, exactly. It is input, but not a target variable. You got my point. Good. Now conclusion will be survived. It is a target column actually. And either which class? Feature. Which class is a feature? Getting job. What job actually? IT job. It is so called as a target variable. What variable? Target variable. Now here is a feature. Okay, you want get job, right? Let me talk about the what is the Daniel features. Okay, features. I done MCA. Feature number one, qualification. What is the next feature? I done kind of some course actually, AI course I done. Next feature. Feature number one, what is your qualification? Feature number two, what kind of course you done actually? Feature number three, practice. Next level practice actually. No one never stand in front of me. That level practice. These are all features. These are all. If all features are good actually, then what is the target column actually? IT job. I mean to say that feature means valuable things actually. That we need to use. Best example, let us take a smartwatch. Smartwatch having the features. Let us take a mobile having the features. Let us take a projector having the features. Of course, it can contain many things, but people will highlight only features. Why? Because the price depends on the features actually. I'm sorry, are you with me? Yeah, best example, just now we have seen mobile. What mobile actually? A kind of some Samsung mobile. Yeah, people will see the features, sir. Of course, this one is the price. On an average, 1,20,000. Seriously. So you can just try to go for Samsung. You can just try to go for what exactly, sir? Samsung. My budget will be below 15,000, 10,000 or 20,000. You can go for this. Now this one will be. It is having its own features actually. Ultimately, price is the vary, but automatically features also vary actually. Conclusion of this story, the target variable depends on the features. The price depends on the features. Price depends on the best example, right? Good analogy. Okay. So today is the Saturday, but I'm continuing, but still I will appreciate you. All of you, came for my session. Online team, I will appreciate you, sir. Even Saturday, you guys are attending the session. I thought you will not attend actually. Do you have a video option? So as of now, I'm sorry, no video option. Otherwise, I may start my video. All right, fine then. Let's continue. Camera. Oh, seriously. But it was not interconnected actually. Team, it is highlighting my face, right? Backend ML algorithm, sir. What algorithm? ML algorithm. So best example in your mobile, the model is already configured actually. Let me close this. Okay, this is the way I guess actually, WebEx. But if it is a Zoom, automatically the feature is inbuilt actually. It is okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Nageswara, sir. Thank you, Sirji. Good to go. Yeah. Any idea? We are going to, I'm going to explaining about the logistic regression. What regression, sir? Logistic regression. By using this one, we can solve classification problem. We can solve classification problem. Daniel, what do you mean by classification problem? If you wanted to tell what do you mean by, if you wanted to understand what is a classification problem, look at the data set. Data set will decide actually, you have to use which model. If the target value having the continuous value, if the target column having the continuous value, you have to apply regression. You have to apply regression. If the target column can contain either only few classes, best example, either every day, what is a classification problem? Either can I go class or not actually. That is a classification problem. Every day you are coming, yes, actually. Either yes or no, that's it. Am I right? Binary classification. You are going for shopping mall. Either you will buy or not, classification problem. You are going for restaurant. Either you can eat or not, classification problem actually. Make a note on this one, okay? Binary classification and multi-class classification. Let me explain about one real-time use case. We'll get an idea. Let me take one small data set. One real-time data set actually. The data set will be what is a data set? Make a note on this one, sir. Here I need to explain one small story. The story will be good. Let me tell you what happened. In the year of 2010, I done my MCA, sir. I done my MCA. Till 2012, no job. No job, and almost 2013 also started actually. 2013 also started. Automatically tension also started actually. Am I right or not, sir? 2013 started and automatically little tension. Why tension? No job. You can't believe around 2.8 months no job, sir. Then seriously I decided. Then I learned one course very well actually. Frankly speaking, I put my efforts. I learned Java very nicely. Very nicely. I done such a nice practice actually. Such a nice practice. And now not only done Java course, what I done, in Hyderabad, there was one institute actually. I'm sorry, I should not. Why? Because I'm working at Naresh IT. I should not talk about other institute. There is one institute. In that institute, I joined as a lab coordinator. What is that? Lab coordinator actually. Frankly speaking, by God grace, coordinator actually. Coordinator. This is my turning, sir. That was my turning. I joined as a lab coordinator. What is my role? A kind of some Java students, they will come actually. Java students, they will come to the lab. Per day, minimum 50 members, they will come, sir. Per day. Imagine there is no time order actually. One student will come, he will do practice and he will go. Another student, he will come, he will do practice and he will go. Like a college lab. Then I used to maintain the lab, around some 20 systems actually. Then if anyone getting any Java error, I'm the person, I need to fix that error actually. On an average, 4 months I worked, sir. How long time? Man, proudly I'm saying after 4 months, I became master in Java. Master actual. Frankly speaking, more than my trainer, I can deliver the topics nicely. Why? Because 4 months, morning to evening, keep on playing with errors only. Somebody is executing example, he is getting issue, I need to fix. Somebody is getting example, he is getting error, I need to fix. For me, revision also not required. Why? Because even in during night time also, the errors and topics keep on rolling actually. That's the power of lab actually. That was turning for my career. Then that day, even slowly by slowly, I used to talk with the students. I used to explain the topic. I understand how to explain the topics to the students. I understand. Why? Because in a lab, toppers will come, average students will come, juniors will come. I used to handle actually. Fine. Anyway, out of all this discussion, then frankly speaking, I really got a good job. Really got good subject, man. Good subject actually. Why I am telling these are all things, hold on, there is a reason. Point number one, if you are continuously doing practice, you will become expert in subject actually. Then you can decide your career. I really got a good subject, sir. With all these subjects, what I done, I have added experience, added what exactly experience, and started job trials. Started what exactly, sir? Job trials, actually. Job trials. And let me tell you, around seventh interview, sir, I got a job actually. I got what exactly? Job. Now my package started will be 6 LPA. 6 LPA actually. 6 LPA. By I added an experience and I got a job. Now here is the story. Daniel, why you are explaining these are all things, Daniel, actually? Now there is a connection. Can I continue? Good. Let me tell you. Sir, in India, if your package is kind of there are some different slab actually. I can talk with you. These are all slabs later. But those days, if your salary will be before 8 LPA, yearly, you are getting 8 lakhs. Imagine you are getting before 8 lakhs actually. No need to pay tax. No need to pay what exactly? Tax actually. No need to pay tax. Okay. Then after 2 years, after what exactly, sir? 2 years. Suddenly, by God grace, my salary will be 9 LPA. What is the salary? 9 LPA. Sir, you are crossing 8 LPA. According to that boundary, you are crossing 8 LPA. Then get ready. You have to pay what exactly? Tax. Tax. You need to pay the tax. Think like on an average, when I say tax, I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. There are few things I won't like actually in India. I should not talk like this being an Indian, but proudly I can say I'm from India. Sir, we are paying GST for everything. We are paying GST for, I'm not from financial background, but I already taken a salary. In my salary, I already pay the tax. Then with that salary, I'm planning to buy one item. Then again, I need to pay the tax. With that salary, I'm planning to buy my dress actually. Then I need to pay tax. Nearby cream stone actually, I need to eat the ice cream. What I need to do? Yeah, tax. Anyway, I'm not here to discuss about these are all tax actually, but understand the scenario. 9 LP here, you need to pay the tax. Think like 10% you need to pay the tax, sir. 10% you need to pay the tax. When I say 10% actually, think like a 9,000 per month. 9 LP, let me tell you, a kind of some 7K actual. Are you clear till now? How much I'm paying tax actually? 7K per month. Per month actually. This is per month. Think like this. Either 7K or 6K, you can calculate actually. Sir, here is the story. I don't want to pay tax. I don't want to what exactly pay the tax actually. Pay the tax. I mean to say that I just wanted to show the tax deduction, a kind of less tax actually. I just wanted to show the less tax in my document. If you wanted to show the less tax in your document, so then what we need to do is you have to apply for any idea, LIC or else any kind of some home loan actually. These are all things you need to apply. Let me tell you, before IT job, if anyone is explaining about NLC, LIC, I didn't even care actually. What this guy is talking, not at all required for me. But after my package increased actually, what happened, sir? I just reached one LIC agent and I asked, Anna, my salary will be so and so. Government is eating my salary like anything. Can you give me under 18 slab? There is a 18C category actually. And here you need to show the tax. You need to show what exactly, sir? Tax actually. Once you are showing this tax actually, your tax will be, very less deductible. Very less what exactly mean deductible actual. Till now, are you clear? Now let me tell you. Sir, if you are crossing 20 LPA, if you are crossing 20 LPA, let me tell you 20% you have to pay actually. 20% tax you need to pay. Yeah, frankly, I'm speaking actually. You have to pay more than even, let me tell you, that is my personal salary also. I'm not revealing about the salary. Fine then. Sir, then definitely you have to get one kind of some small LIC actually. Here is the story. LIC companies, LIC, what exactly, sir? Companies, they need a kind of some prediction. They need kind of some what exactly prediction. Who will take LIC or not actually? I'm sure now you're entering into the discussion. Imagine there is an agent. He's explaining all features actually. He can do prediction. Either you will take insurance or not. Either you will take what exactly mean? Now we are going to create a one kind of some machine learning model. That model we are going to train with LIC data. A kind of some either person will take loan or I'm sorry, either person he will take this LIC or not actually. Once we trained our model, now here onwards we can do prediction. We can do what exactly, sir? Prediction. Let me show you the data set. Are you clear till now? Did you understand the first problem statement? Yeah, let me show you the problem. Let me show you the data. Online team, what about you? This is not tax session. Insurance data. All IT employees they should maintain actually. They will maintain. That's the reason. Seriously? System they formatted, sir. Okay, make a note on this one. Think like this is the whole data. Insurance company they have collected actually. These are all previous data. Let me tell you the person age is the 22. What is the person age, sir? 22 actually. Why this is blinking? New feature or what? Okay. Person age is 22. Tell me. 0 means he didn't take an insurance. Let me tell you there is an agent. So already the youngster age will be 22 like me actually. And he explained everything. Then he is telling at last, no, I don't like LIC actually. That is okay. Result is 0. The next one 25. Result is what exactly? 0. 47. Result is what exactly? 1. Why? Come again? Yeah, here is a story. Experienced person. What person? Now here is a story. The data is a mixed data. Get ready. Though he has a experienced person, he has a good salary and he need to take the LIC. Sir, 52 years also no LIC. Why? Any reason? Any reason? Come again? Very good. Don't think like, if the person who is increasing age actually, he may get a more salary. Think like he might be IT employee. He might be still kind of some security guard. He's working like a daily wages actually. A kind of some, he's working like a daily wages. Right? Now then tax, he cannot, why? Because he's getting money. He no need to pay the tax actually. Conclusion of the story, very less. He's within the slab only. Now we have a mixed data, sir. Can I ask you a question? Bought insurance or not? What kind of, what are all outputs actually? How many outputs? 2, either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. What kind of problem? Binary classification problem. What problem? Look at this one, can I ask you one more question? 22, 25, they didn't take in. Why this person taken insurance? 25, any idea? Yeah, very good salary might be. Why? Because, he might be from IIT. Frankly speaking, just for certificate. Company will pay good salary. Company will pay. If any, let me tell you, recently GATE exam came, results actually. Who are all topper, trust me, they will get salary monthly 40 lakhs, minimum 40 lakhs. According to the India, these are all things actually. I know one person, he's from, even he's my, if I'm having any doubts in data science, I used to ask him, Vivek Anna. Now we have a good relationship. He's from IIT. When he done IIT, directly one company recruited him. His package starting itself is the minimum 40 LPA, sir, above 40 LPA. Then he explained, then think about now actually. It will be around crossed CR also. Data science having the capabilities, data science having capabilities. Let me tell you, your salary, it can touch CR also. CR in the sense? Yeah. You're, you're learning the course in such a way that it can touch actually, but show your skills. If you are really very good in a problem solving, model creation, technical discussion, companies will ready to pay. Company ready to pay, sir. Are you ready to show your skills or not? That really matters actually. That really matters. Okay. But experience also matter. It's not like, sir, I have a 1 year or 2 years gap. Can I get a very high salary like a 20 LPA? Initially, if you don't have a job, try for the job first. Enter into the company, understand the pattern, learn the environment. Then later you can demand actual. I done the same thing. Later you can demand actual. Sir, oh, I thought I recorded stopped actually. Recording stopped actually. Okay. Where are we? Where are we discussing? Okay. So think like I have given this CSV file, sir. You can create a data frame. What are all operations you can apply? Talk with me. Very good, sir. Very good. Group by you can apply and you can filter the data. You can just have to call head method, sorting you can apply. Many things you can apply. Very good. Very good. Nice. Tell me, boss. Ma'am, yeah, I understand. As of now, to understand, I have taken only one feature, but it's not only one feature, it can contain multiple features. Though this one is a binary classification, I just wanted to showcase only, the target variable, but not feature actually. Okay. Yeah. So age matter, experience matter, technology matter, to get a salary. These are all important parameters actually. But anyway, as of now, we have taken only small problem statement. Slowly by slowly, I request you use ChatGPT to get a more examples. So when it comes to simple linear regression, we already done actually. You can just have to go to the ChatGPT. Simple linear regression banking example. Then you can just have to understand. I'm sure very easy. You can easy to understand if you're good in Python. Are you with me or not, sir? Like a banking domain, e-commerce domain, insurance domain. These are all different based domain based examples you need to understand actually. Okay. Fine then. It's okay out of the topic. That's still okay, sir. No need to be sorry. So, do we need to understand how brain works to understand neural network actually? Neural network, I'm going to cover, sir. This one is, frankly speaking, before DL, I will cover this one actually. Before DL, yeah, it needs to be understand. It's required actually. I'm going to cover this. It's required. Where are we? Yeah, good. It is an insurance data set. Zero means they are not going to take actually. One means they are going to take. We can understand one pattern like here, young people are not buying and most of the scenario. Whereas the person age is increasing, then that person more likely to buy what exactly, sir? Insurance. Based on age. As of now, I'm taking only one feature. We wanted to predict the person either he is going to choose insurance or not actually. Okay. Sir, this I will talk later. This I will talk later. Don't worry. Let us enter into the what is the time? Can I continue? Definitely I will continue. Make a note on this. Yeah. Sir, as usual. First let us load the pandas. Print. Topic. Logistic regression. What is the topic, sir? Logistic regression. Can you talk with me? What is the step number one? Importing the libraries. What is the step number 1? Importing. What is the step number 2? Very good, sir. Loading the data set. By this time, you should have a little interesting on coding actually. You got that interest actually? You will feel more interest while you are looking at the example. If anyone is still feeling coding is the boring, do one thing, sir. Python do 100 times revision actually. Required. Then I will tell you why you are feeling boring actually. Okay, fine then. Sir, always data frame matters, sir. Always data frame matters. How to separate all zeros and all ones actually? Any idea? Filter the data. First operation always try to comfort actually and do pandas, apply pandas operations. You can feel more comfortable. You will get a Boolean values. But I need a data frame. df of. We separated actually. Yeah, good. These are all. Same thing like this. Daniel, can I apply these are all? Data analysis operations. Can I apply 2 actually? What is output? Empty data frame. What data frame? No error. If condition is not matching, no error actually. Come on, these are all, category number 1. Group 1 and group 2. What is this? Group 1. Mean to say that these are all people they didn't taken. Yeah, they are not interested actually. But these are all people they have taken. Here the interesting story will be almost everyone having, age actually 47, 46, very age. But there is a one data. Don't think like, who are all having more than 40, they will take insurance. Not only that one, people sometimes 21, 22 years people also they will take actual. Would have a mixed data? What data? Then let me tell you, if the data less than 25, they are not liking LIC. More than 25, they are liking LIC. Then why machine learning actually? I can do prediction. Tell me your age, sir. Then I can do prediction. But here we have a mixed data. Then here ML algorithm helps. What helps actually? ML algorithm helps. That's what you need to be understand. You can just have to come here. Even don't think like, here we have taken mixed data, 55. He's supposed to be in the, he's supposed in the category of, he's supposed to take the LIC actual, but he didn't take in. Think like, we are all collected age and salary, but salary is the hidden pot. I don't want to disclose actually, okay? All right, then I hope this is called as a pandas example. You can take this, you can just say to chapter, sir. Steps number 1, steps from 1 to 2, loading the data set, data preparation. Plotting the data. Okay, let us just say to plot the data. So the moment whenever you are plotting the data, on x-axis I am taking A's, on y-axis I am taking either they have taken insurance or not actually. X-axis value 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Why not 1000? A's should not be 1000, right? Make a note on this one. That calculation matplotlib is taking automatically. Please be careful. I mean to say that calculation it is taking. Y value, it can be either 0 or 1. In between frequency it is taking 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 like this actually. Now what we need to understand is, sir, who are all age less than 30, these are all belongs to 0th category. Means these guys are not taking insurance. And not only this, Daniel, age more than 40, more than 50, 2 more data points I can see here actually. 2 more data points I can see here. They also didn't take in what exactly? Insurance. Live data. Daniel, these are all people who are all age greater than 40, greater than what exactly 40, they have taken insurance, sir. Why? Because the output value is what exactly? 1. Not only more than 40, Daniel, less than 40 people also they have taken insurance. That's what you need to catch it. That's what you need to be understand. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? I'm sure. I hope you got it. Can we plot this? అయ్యో, yeah, man. Very good. We are plotting the data. Special step actually. Go to the next one. Splitting the data. What is the next one? You can just do, what is the third step? Any idea? Did you remember? Data. Thank you, boss. Let's do that one also. Can I ask a question? The syntax indicates to? What is that? The syntax indicates to. Very good. Single column data frame. What is that? Make a note on this one. Sir, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి, తరోగా ఉండాలి, క్విక్గా ఉండాలి యాక్చువల్గా. One minute. Can you tell me what is this actually? Tell me everyone. How can you recognize immediately? Because previously, let me tell you, your brain captured that apple many number of times. Almost I can say more than in our whole life actually, more than 50,000 think like that actually. Then you remembered automatically. Time also not required. Not even 1 second also not required. Nanoseconds is enough. That is Apple actually. But when I'm asking this question, what is this one? If you're taking time in the sense, still in your brain, that practice is not captured actually. I'm sorry. That's what you need to be understand. Simple. You have to be, technically how you have to be, normal water bottle, laptop, how you are remembering, subject also you need to remember like that actually. That's the best practice. I done that. For your kind information, Daniel, can you show me one example? Daniel is the example. You can take a model actual. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, show your heroism in terms of the subject actual. I feel so happy, right? Now move on to the next step. Splitting the data set. Easy, sir. Just to put your efforts and time. Give the time. If you are giving the time, you can gain the subject. If you're not giving the time, it takes some time. We know these are all, I hope I need to I need to import the class. I'm sorry. I need to import this function also. Let me close this. Let us import this function. Importing the libraries. Come on, importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. Can you guess the next step? Correct. Okay, get ready. Single column data frame, series. Still we can pass to the model, but not a good practice. Input and output should be arrays. Input should be column. Output should be, but anyway, we are not following the rule. We can break the rule also. Understand why I should pass. I can pass according to mine also. You can pass. I'm printing X and Y, X train and Y train. And the next step will be Daniel model creation. Wow. What is this? Any idea? Class. Very good. Very good. This answer I got very quickly actually. Because this question you might have seen, sir, frankly speaking, I asked the same question maybe more than 100 times I can say. Antinaga sir. More than 100 times. Sir, this is the, see, if I'm asking keep on what is this one, what is this one, what is this one, you can remember very quickly. That is my motto. Previously, one student told, don't ask these many times actually. Not for fun, sir. I will ask. If you won't like session, it is okay. Model creation. Step number 5. Model creation Daniel. Model equals to logistic regression. Very good. This one is algorithm. Many people are thinking like, many people may think like machine learning means we need to write an algorithm. Actually, the beauty is already algorithm is available. They have created with a class. Yes, of course, class is a code. How to create a class? If you understand these are all, you no need to create with your hands, sir. Algorithms are already ready and available. This is something like we are ordering food actually. Am I going speed actually? No, right? You are able to understand. These are all. This one is a class. The next one, method. Model training. Very good, sir. Step number 6, model training. Model dot fit method, and here you need to pass x underscore train. The next one will be y underscore train. That's it. Tell me, what is the 7th step? Prediction. To do prediction, we just need to provide age actual. Input as a age. Model dot predict of, and here you need to pass. And let me just try to pass. Tell me for kind of some 49. Will they take insurance? Most of the guessings will be 1. We'll see. You may get a warning. Yeah. Any idea why warning? Talk with me. Data frame. Yeah. The features you didn't provide in a proper way actually. Am I right? Then you can just try to come here. What we need to do is here you need to apply dot values, and here also you need to apply dot. Now we are good to go. Very good. Yeah. Right prediction. Right prediction. Sir, model takes care about these are all things. Okay. Now almost steps number from 1 to steps from 1 to what exactly? 9. Every step I have created a separate program. That's the beauty with our material. Importing the library, separate example, loading the data set, separate example, data preparation, separate example. It helps you. If you are reaching almost to the last step, trust me, all these steps you done, especially this step you done almost 7 times practice. How many times practice? 7 times, not a joke. Intentionally. I have prepared the example in such a way that tell me the person who is having 18 actually. Tell me. Go right prediction. Model also done prediction 0. Model is doing prediction actually. Okay. Yeah, we are doing prediction with 50 and 25. 50, 1, 25, 0. Prediction result with what exactly? We are doing y predicted actually. We are providing here x test value. And this one is x test value, Daniel. 60, 61, 19. 60, 61. Yes, they are going to take actually 19. No, they are not going to take. Prediction score. This I will cover in the next session, sir. And even I have skipped theory. A kind of some formula I have skipped. It's okay. I can explain in the next session. It's okay. We done today's session. Did I copy the code actually? Yeah. Today's session. We'll meet again on Monday. First, I need to upload regression cost functions. Thank you. You please, you can start, let you go, and we will connect again on Monday. Happy weekend, everyone. You are thinking weekend is over here only, right? Regression cost function. Sorry, man. And here itself, let us upload the running nodes. And let's upload logistic regression. Last 2 minutes. All right. Online team, thank you for joining. We'll again connect on Monday, and happy weekend, everyone. Thank you.